Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. I know I have been away for a little bit, but I am back now and I'm going to start filming. Don't know how often, but I'm trying to get everything done. We put my mom, my 91-year-old mom, into a nursing care, so that took a little bit. I have been dying of my respiratory issues. It's been so hot here in Arizona and I'm filming outside. Don't get it. So I will be going to Chicago for my baby granddaughter's second birthday, and I'm so looking forward to that. Then we're going to be off to Washington for 3 months, so I have so much packing and stuff to do. So I'm just trying to get some things done and get back to you. I've been watching some videos, so I haven't totally forgotten the YouTube world. But today I have discovered the deal box, and the winner of my giveaway that I had won a giveaway, so can you, it was a Jeffree Star giveaway that I won from Pumpkin NYC, and I have that winner. I have put the box away, so if you can contact me, it'll be somewhere in this video. Let me know, and as soon as I get back from Chicago, I will mail it out to you. So that's what's been going on. And the steel box, it's got like a lot of skincare. I'm not sure if it's got a lot of makeup in there, but it has stuff that I like to use. And the value, I think it's like $80 or $85 that I pay for it, but the value is like a couple $100. And it saves me from going to the drugstore. When I go to like a Walmart or a Target to pick up a few things or buy them online, I end up spending more than what this box is. So when I saw it come up, I'm like, oh gosh, I'm gonna get it. I know I'm gonna get it, and I got it. So, and let me know what's going on with you guys. As I said, I haven't talked to you guys for like ever. So leave comments below. Feel free to Instagram me, feel free to email me, you know, whatever. So let's get into this box before it melts outside. And it does tell you everything that's in it, so I don't know if it's in the box or if I have to go back and look and see what's going on. So the first thing that I see here, that I don't remember what it is, no, is it? It's long. I don't know if it's a tie. It's just a long, I don't know if it's a headband. It doesn't smell, but I'm not sure what it is. So we got this, so I'm thinking maybe it's a tie for your neck, but it came in this nice little case. So I'll have to look that one up and leave it in the description if I find it. Then we have this jewel pack. Sorry, it's got the puppies on there, and I didn't bring the scissors with me, so I can get it open without popping. And we have a bug soother. So I don't know if you spray it on, I got my glasses here. If you spray it on and it takes care of the bugs, shake well before using. Could the directions be any smaller? Shake well. So I think you spray it. Ooh, it's got lemongrass oil. So I think you spray it on. I don't know if you do it after you get the bug bites or before you get the bug bites. That's what it looks like. It says soother, so why would you spray it on before? I'll have to read that. And then we have the gloves in a bottle. I took my glasses off. And this is hand sanitizing lotion. We're still getting a lot of that, even though they're not pushing it like they used to. And then we have, and this is like my fave, the Strivectin, and this is the neck cream. And I've been using the neck cream. I got it in another box and I've been using it. And this one looks like it's a smaller one, but loving it. And again, I paid like 80 something for this box, and this box is definitely well worth it. It's probably over 200. And then we have the Double the Plump Lip Plump and Sculpt. So my daughter, who graduated and is now a nurse practitioner, also does Botox. She got the licensing, whatever, to do Botox. And when I go to Chicago, she wants to practice on me. And I said, I will never get Botox. Just the thought of it is like chilling. So leave me a comment below if you would get Botox. I mean, I probably need it, of course, at my age, but I don't know. And everybody's like, oh, get it, get it, get it. And I'm like, I don't know. So let me know if it's something you would get. So this is the lip plumping. I have some lipstick on, so it would probably, plumping my lips like those lip injections, never. After seeing, who was it, Melanie Griffith that had the big lips? No, definitely not. And this is Eye Elements, and I'm trying to see who this is by, and I definitely need eye cream. I mean, with my allergies and stuff, my eyes have been going crazy. So I'm happy I got that. And this is probably why I bought this box, because it had the great products in it. And then we have Cover Up. Still trying to figure out what this little band is. And Style Edit Root Cover Up. Medium brown. So it would be perfect for my hair, because it takes me forever. I just had my hair done. Had my did. So it takes me forever to get in. And then we have Fly by Jing, not traditional but personal. The Triple Threat. Don't know what this is. It's a big heavy jar. Okay, I should know what's in here because I wanted it because of everything that's in here. Oh, Sichuan Chili Crisp. So this is the chili crisp, but I don't know what they are. These jellies. And then we got a Mala Spice Mix. So we got these two. I guess they're edible. I don't know if they go in your body. And Zong sauce. But I don't know what they are. It's too funny. Okay. Fly by Jing was founded, hometown, in food has taken. These flavors come from careful techniques and specific ingredients. I'm gonna have to read up on it because, to be honest, I don't know what they are. They're good for conversations. Okay. And then we got Re-Pour Wine Saver. So that's nice. I should bring this. I'm going, when I go to Chicago, I'm meeting one of my besties there. Huge wine drinker. Huge wine drinker. I used to drink wine back in the day when I was allowed to, but now the doctor has me off of everything. And then we have by Dr. Brandt, which is a great brand. Oh, I keep taking my glasses off. Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. I know I'm gonna love this. And then we have, these birds are like moving in with us. And then we have Gimme, and it's, I think it's for your hair. Oh, it's a dry shampoo. And then we have Exclusive Gift. I'm still like laughing about what those little jars of jelly are. So I think this is a great box. We have a gift. Invisaware smart accessories that could save your life. Interesting. It says thank you to keep your jewelry beautiful. So it's some type of jewelry that can save my life. It's packaged. It's packaged really nice. It's got this cute little bag. Okay, is it going to save my life from trying to open it? I don't know what it is. Oh, is it a bracelet? It looks like it is a very small bracelet. I don't know what it is. Help me. Oh, it's beautiful. It's silver. I'm not sure if that's a cross. Since I don't wear crosses, but I'll have to look it up. This is the one side. It's like stuck. So it folds out. And it's got charms on it. I probably could take, if that's a cross, I could probably take it off. But it's kind of cool. So just to recap, we got this bracelet that's going to save my life. And it's a heavy charm. It doesn't, I don't know what that is. It's kind of like a snowflake looking thing. So we got the bracelet. Oh. And we have the Strivecta neck cream, which is awesome. We have bug soother, gloves in a bottle, sanitizer. We have the root cover up in my color, so that's awesome. We got this gift thing that I tore apart. And then we've got this beautiful color in the lip plumper. And the dry shampoo. And then we have the exfoliator by Dr. Brandt. And then we have the wine topper. So I honestly, make sure there's nothing else in there. Oh wait, I lied. We got this that I don't know what it is. We got the Fly by Jean. I'm gonna find out what this is. If it's food, I'll give it a try. I'll put it on another video and let you know what it is, because there's more stuff on the back about what it is, and so I don't take up your time. So please let me know what your favorite item is. Give my video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'd always appreciate it. And you guys have an awesome day.